Hey guys, today we are in Porsche. This is GT4, and I'm going to show you how to set wipers into service position so we can replace the wiper blades. So by default your wipers are a little bit hidden, and if you want to bend the wiper arms, you would hit the hood, so you will damage the paint job and you cannot replace the wiper blades in this position. So to set the mechanism into service position, here's what you need to do. Turn the ignition on. So the ignition is on right now. Turn it off and press the wiper stalk, and when it's pressed your wipers will go up and they will stop in this service position. And after you are done, just turn the ignition back on and once again press the wiper stalk, and your wipers will go back into parked position. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.